Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 1625 in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. Yes, a 2 stars Sudoku. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do that. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23, plus 3 is equal to 26. One less than the previous Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have let me see. 7. The last row, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square. So no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 4 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 2, the 9, and the 8. 2, 9, 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Oh, 2, 2. Made a mistake. It's not 8 and a 2, but 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7 should be here. 8 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is a 5. 5 is correct. So these 2 numbers is incorrect. The 6 in the 2. Oh, big mistake. All right, let me do this with the correction pen. This is a correction pen. Could be happening, correction pen, yes. Yes. Well, alright, so these 2 should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Alright. Let's continue. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. Then. I see here 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then yeah. 2, 6, 8. Alright. We have an 8 in this column. An 8 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for the 8 should be there. 2, 4, 3. 2 and 6, alright. 4, yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have in the third row a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row we have a 4 over there. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. And look, we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4. Only 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then. How about yeah. In this row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in this big square, so no 6 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 6 and the 1. That means those 3 boxes are reserved for the 2, the 9, and the 7. 297. I cannot fill this yet. 297. Remember that 297. That means 1 box left here in this big square for the number 8. 297. So 297. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Or there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 7 is missing. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in the last column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. These 2 boxes are left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 8 and 6. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. I mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 5. No, 2 and 4, I believe. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them for you. It's a pair. How about the 9 in this row, the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So in the column between, the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 4 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 7 in this column. 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. And this should be a 1, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2. Wait. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 8, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 3 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.